Peruvian ceviche relies on the freshest seafood available daily. Coastal waters provide an abundance of fish for this iconic dish. Fishermen bring in their daily catch to the seafood counter. The catch is immediately prepared for ceviche and other dishes. Lime juice is essential in Peruvian ceviche for its acidic flavor. Red onion and cilantro add a burst of flavor and color to ceviche. Chili peppers bring a touch of heat to balance the acidity. Seafood is mixed with lime juice in a large bowl carefully. The mixture is left to marinate, allowing the flavors to meld. Ceviche is then plated and garnished with additional herbs. The combination of acid and heat creates a unique flavor profile. The Peruvian restaurant kitchen is where these flavors come together. Lime juice is the key to ceviche's acidic dance, blending with seafood perfectly. Fresh fish marinated in lime creates a tender, flavorful experience always. Peruvian chefs carefully balance acidity with heat from chili peppers added. Ceviche's simplicity relies on the quality of ingredients, especially fresh fish used. Red onion and cilantro add depth to the dish, complementing lime's brightness always. The coastal seafood counter offers an array of fresh catches for ceviche daily. Chefs select the finest fish for marinating, ensuring each bite is exceptional always. Lime's acidity breaks down proteins, making the fish tender and safe to eat. The wok's influence on Lomo Saltado is evident in its stir-fry technique and speed. Stir-frying beef strips with chili and onions creates a savory, slightly sweet flavor. Ceviche and Lomo Saltado showcase the fusion of Andean and coastal culinary traditions. The combination of acid, heat, and fresh seafood defines Peruvian cuisine's unique identity. Lomo Saltado emerges as a staple, blending Chinese wok techniques with Peruvian flair. Stir-frying beef strips with onions and tomatoes creates a savory foundation. Fresh cilantro and chili peppers add depth to this iconic dish. Peruvian chefs adapt wok cooking to incorporate local ingredients and spices. The sizzle of the wok meets the freshness of coastal seafood in Lomo Saltado. Lime juice and garlic infuse the beef with a zesty, aromatic flavor profile. Ceviche and Lomo Saltado showcase the diversity of Peruvian cuisine's influences. Wok-seared beef and seafood merge in a harmonious balance of textures. Red onion and cilantro garnishes add a pop of color to each dish. The fusion of Andean and Chinese traditions yields a unique culinary identity. Coastal seafood counters serve as a hub for fresh ingredients and inspiration. The dance of acid and heat in Peruvian cuisine is a true reflection of its cultural heritage. Peruvian cuisine relies heavily on herbs and spices to enhance flavors. Fresh cilantro adds a distinct taste to both ceviche and Lomo Saltado dishes. Lime juice brings acidity, balancing the heat from chili peppers. Ají amarillo peppers introduce a unique, slightly smoky flavor profile. Ceviche typically includes red onion for a sweet and crunchy texture. Mixing seafood with lime juice creates a refreshing, zesty marinade. Coastal seafood counters provide an array of fresh fish for ceviche. Chefs carefully plate each ceviche dish, garnishing with cilantro and onion. The wok influence in Lomo Saltado allows for quick, high-heat cooking. Stir-frying beef strips with chili and spices creates a savory aroma. Herbs and spices blend in harmony, reflecting Peruvian cultural identity. The dance of acid and heat in these dishes is a true culinary delight. Peruvian cuisine blends Andean traditions with coastal seafood freshness. Fresh fish meets lime juice in a harmonious acidic balance. Ceviche's popularity stems from its simple yet vibrant flavor profile. Red onion and cilantro add depth to this iconic Peruvian dish. Lomo Saltado's wok influence introduces a savory heat element. Stir-frying beef with chili and onions creates a spicy aroma. Coastal seafood counters showcase the day's freshest catch. Skilled chefs prepare ceviche with precision and care. Lime-marinated seafood is a staple of Peruvian coastal cuisine. Herbs like cilantro enhance the freshness of each ceviche bite. Peruvian restaurants proudly serve these dishes with Andean flair. The acidic dance of Ceviche and Lomo Saltado delights palates nationwide. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.